Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Andrea, and in this video I want to speak with you about Adobe quarterly earnings. So recently they posted their quarterly earnings and they look pretty good. The revenue, earnings, cash flow, and also annual recurring revenue, they are all growing with double digit, and management also raised guidance, which tells me that they are confident that this growth is sustainable. And thing with Adobe is that they are now in kind of a strategic shift, because they are known as a creative hub with their creating software, a creative software for the professionals and also for semi-professional, and they are now shifting towards AI adoption. They want to integrate the AI into their software, like Firefly or Adobe Acrobat and also or others. And this seems to work now because AI features is contributing to annual recurring revenue. It earned now more than 5 billion, which is pretty impressive. But if this is sustainable or not, we need to see. And the big investors, they are not seem as much confident now. That's why the stock price also didn't react so much, and that's why the stock is down like 20 or 25% year to date. So I think that the Adobe is a industry standard when it comes to creative software, and annual recurring revenue over 18.5 billion is also proof of this. And I think that the new AI features can also improve the growth of the Adobe. And also nearly all of the Fortune 100 companies are using Adobe software, and many of them are also doubling down on their spending. Yeah, so they have a strong balance sheet, and this allowed them to invest aggressively in the AI development, and but still be able to make a share buybacks and returning cash to shareholders like this. The risk what I see in moment with Adobe is either the AI, creative AI, will boost their earnings, or they will disrupt this company totally, because there are also a lot of new competition, like Canva, for example, and OpenAI. They have a software that is more user-friendly, and it's also cheaper to use, which can take some more price-sensitive customers from Adobe, or the younger audience. Younger customers maybe don't buy at Adobe, but buy these products somewhere else. So I think that Adobe need to prove that this recurring revenue, what they have now from these AI features, that this is sustainable, and it will continue to grow. And that's what I think that the big investors are somehow waiting for. We need to keep in mind that AI is expensive, and the development costs can grow faster in the short term as the revenue and income from this stream. And the AI also raise compliance and regulatory questions, like copyrights and so. So if the Adobe makes some mistakes here, it can lead to lawsuits, and it can also lead to bad reputation for the company. So this is also some risk what I see here. And despite, as I said, despite the good earnings, the stock is down like 20 or 25% this year, which indicates that the big investors are still skeptical, or needs to have more proof that Adobe can continue its growth in this new creative AI environment. So to sum this up, Adobe is still a very high quality company with a wide moat and very good financial. In the short term, I think the stock price can continue move sideways or even drop a little bit more if we will have some market correction. But for the long term, I think they are presenting very interesting AI story where I want to be invested. And I have some Adobe stock. It's like 5% of my portfolio, and I'm also down like a 20% now. That's why you never should buy something just because someone on YouTube tell you. And keep in mind that I'm not a financial professional and I'm just sharing here my own opinion and my own story. So if you find this video interesting, please give me a thumbs up and write in the comment if you wanna make me some deep dive on Adobe. And until then, see ya.